Is welding your PT100, RTD, NTC, or thermocouple sensors causing inconsistencies or delays in your production process? The TATE PT100 welding machine is the answer to these challenges. Thanks to real-time temperature monitoring and intelligent heat control, the TATE PT100 ensures precise welding for a wide range of temperature sensors. Whether you're working with high-accuracy PT100 or high-volume thermocouples, our machine delivers reliable results, preventing issues like thermal damage or weld weakness. By providing consistent heat throughout the welding process, the TATE PT100 reduces the likelihood of defects, ensuring long-lasting, high-performance sensors for your customers. As the source manufacturer, we guarantee excellent quality and dedicated customer service. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more information, email info@oaktate.com.